I didn't know about this. I've been keeping it a secret for a year already. I've seen it, and
let's look at it.
she basically wrecked this thing a little bit, not too crazy, and of course we got insurance on this thing and all. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here up on the mountain at the new Goon Squad house where some epicness has happened, and we just want to update you guys real quick. Just look at that sucker in the background, dude.
Huge house update right now because we haven't been here in a while. We got some epic stuff happening. We actually have the plumbers out here. They are already they're almost done. They got like one more day. They're adding all the plumbing and stuff like that. And then also we just got the HVAC guys out here today. They're gonna start installing the HVAC, which is just some big news. And framers are out here. I don't know, I guess they're gonna do a few little touch-ups here and there. And all we're waiting on is basically sprinkler system guys.
Yeah, the fire sprinkler system guy was actually supposed to come in very first. We gave him the priority because, you know, that's a major task. He's now gonna have to work around the HVAC guys and also the plumbers, but they weren't able to make it. So you know what? This is just something that happens, very typical. I guess he'll figure it out. But you know what? There's just like some awesome stuff that we noticed as we're walking through this house. And also there's some pretty major changes that we would like to make because this is gonna be my personal house and I don't wanna miss out on a few opportunities that are available.
It's better to do them now than later because later it's gonna be 10 times more work and stuff like that. Exactly like we were talking about, like windows on that side. You wanna probably add more, right?
That is right, yeah. There's 2 in those bedrooms that we added, but they're just like regular small windows. Not enough, man. There's a beautiful view that way. Probably the best view of this whole entire house is gonna be that way, especially in the fall time when the leaves fall down, dude. It's gonna be insane.
The sunsets, dude. So we were thinking about it, and we're probably gonna end up ordering bigger windows for that bedroom. Order probably like 3 wide windows. That way you get a better view, and it's probably gonna set you back probably like 6 weeks. But I think it's gonna be worth it, unless we can find some used ones. You know what I mean?
If we can find something in stock, that'd be awesome. The framers would actually quickly knock that out. But man, that's just such a beautiful view. We're definitely gonna look into that.
For sure.
And also, we're walking with our contractor and just kind of just looking at where we're gonna put like sinks and vanities because while the plumbers are here,
we're adding like faucets and stuff. We're adding
cold and hot water, dude.
Cold and hot water for car washes. You know, you're gonna be washing your car in the wintertime. You fill your bucket up with hot water, dude.
That's gonna be awesome. This is just stuff that we noticed that we needed back in the day.
Yeah,
you know?
like we're at my house. I'm like living there. I'm like, man, there's so much changes I would have done before we completed the house. But you know what?
Exactly.
You live and you learn,
you
man.
Live and
this
you
is
learn.
Part of construction right here.
That is awesome. But you know what? Also, another thing that we're looking out for is like big old trees around the whole entire house because, as you guys know, you know, we're in the woods here and there's some pretty crazy storms up on the mountain and we don't want any trees falling on the house. So there's one tree right here that I think got struck by lightning, or maybe it just, the wind blew it over. But other than that, all the other trees are good, right?
The ones around the house are really strong, like rooted trees right there. Same thing for my house, dude. I had a bunch of trees that fell over and stuff like that. So hopefully we're good. I mean, it looks good. Probably just the trees down the driveway are the only ones that are small, but we're not gonna worry about that. That's probably gonna be the last thing, you know. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead, run through the house real quick, show you guys what's going on, and then we're probably gonna head to the shop and finish up our cameras.
Alrighty guys, so we made it over here to Parents' house after checking out that house where a bunch of cool stuff was going on over there. Of course, we had the HVAC guy, the plumbers out there, and we even had the trim guy that's gonna order like the interior doors and a bunch of trim, handrails, and all that good stuff. So I can't wait to show you guys how that turns out, which that's gonna be in probably like a couple weeks. So, but you wanna go ahead and order that in advance. But anyways, we stopped by the shop as well where the electricians are doing their final touches. They even hooked up that exhaust fan. Super awesome, creates an amazing breeze in there, man. It just feels so much better. Might not even need to do HVAC in that whole entire building because I think they quoted us like somewhere around 30 grand just to install like a 5-ton unit, and then it's gonna probably cost like what, 10 grand a month or something.
I don't know if it's worth. I don't think it's worth that much.
That's if you run it all the time. We'd probably just run it once in a blue moon, but who knows? Maybe we can install that later. But anyways, the main reason why we're over here at Parents' house is to actually get some food because we got Fat Finger Foods out here and he's making us some sort of chicken or something like that. So we're gonna eat right quick and then we're gonna continue with our camera system. But as you guys can tell, I'm easing my way over here towards the Supra, and you know, like what we like to do is like share some of the stuff. Not really, but we sometimes just have no choice but to share with our family, and we let them drive some of our vehicles. And our sister drove this Supra right here, and she drove clean into an animal, or an animal drove clean into her. Something happened,
ran out in front of her. You know, It just happens all the time, especially if you're in a low car. It's like the worst thing ever. You want me to stop right here?
Yeah, because you haven't seen it yet. I've seen it, and
let's look at it.
She basically wrecked this thing a little bit, not too crazy, and of course we got insurance on this thing and all
I
that
already
good stuff.
see the bumper gap right here. That ain't good.
Look at that! Look at that bug right there, man. That's the root cause.
Where's the what
Hold
happened?
up, look. So start from over here. We got a little bit of that lip just like dangling or whatnot, or just hanging off, and then you come all the way over here, and it doesn't really look too bad, dude. Honestly.
Dang, dude, that's a whole. You're gonna need a whole new front bumper right here.
You think so?
Ripped out. It ripped out all these like bolt down spots right here. Cracked all the paint, which that's the worst thing ever because you gotta kind of have to get a new bumper once that happens right there.
Yeah,
dude.
and also we're gonna need a whole entire lip, which that's like $2 grand. That bumper is probably like $1,000. Then we need like a few little marker lights in here and there.
A sensor right here, or something like that.
Oh man, is it gone? The sensor's gone. Yeah, we have to order. Or no, it's here.
Oh
yeah. Or never mind, it's not in there. The animal, I don't know what happened.
That must have been a big animal, dude.
I don't know what it was. She said it was like a dog, but the dog just walked away. So thank God nobody was hurt. You know what I mean? That's the most important thing. But you know what? We'll have to.
You can easily replace a front bumper. You know what I mean?
The insurance is like $1,000 deductible or something like that. So I guess it's better off. Should I do it?
I don't think so. Maybe just get a front bumper and just spray it in. Should be good to go.
Yeah, so that's that. She already sent me her credit card information. She's like, just order whatever you want to order. But you know what? I think we'll take care of this. But anyways, let's just go ahead and have a quick bite to eat and finish up our camera system. That thing sounds good.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Nice guy, nice, very nice. I like these people.
Yes, sir. He came out here and he cleaned up some of that trash.
Yeah, because he wants to see around our place, you know, is clean. Because too many people were watching.
Yeah. He said he was watching the show and he seen that and he decided to come on out here and hook us up. But we're hooking cameras up and we got 2 more now. We're just gonna keep on moving, get as much as we can. It's pretty tough because it's so hot in here, but we're making it happen anyway.
Yes, it's good. Because right now, almost around the building, you see a couple corners, it's it.
Yeah, 2 more corners and I think we'll be good. And then we got the other ones that we'll just put in random areas.
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
We are getting ready for an engagement party. A good friend of mine is actually getting married. No, I'm totally kidding. It's actually my engagement party. I bet you guys didn't know this. I'm throwing a little curveball at you guys, and it is actually the next day. We were filming a little bit of stuff at the shop. Some stuff was happening over there, making some amazing progress, closing in on a few things, but you know what? I had to wrap it up early because you know what? I'm getting married in about 3 months.
That's right.
Got an engagement party, went to the store, picked up a nice fresh suit. So I was just trying to figure out which suit I want to wear, and like, you know, I'm sending it to my fiance. That's right, guys, that's right. I got a fiance. I didn't know about this. I've been keeping it a secret for a year already. Some people kind of did, like, you know, expose me a little bit, but you know what? No worries. Now I'm exposing myself and I'm telling you guys what's happening, and I think we're gonna try to film some of this and maybe introduce you guys to my fiance. We'll see how she's feeling. It's really up to her because she may or may not be on camera, but you know what? If you marry me, you're gonna be on YouTube. Alrighty guys, it is go time. Parents are gonna go a little bit earlier. We're all actually gonna meet up, our family, we're gonna meet up at the Publix close to my fiance's house. Look at these beautiful flowers, man. That's just the most beautiful bouquet I've ever seen right there. So I'm very blessed with some amazing sisters. They helped me put this together. Honestly, they put it together completely. So I'm very, very blessed with them. So my parents are actually gonna take this because I'm gonna drive the Huracan there. And we're just gonna have a good time on the way there, just rip around a little bit, and they're gonna pick up a cake as well. So let's head there. I'm a little bit nervous, but more excited than anything. Let's go over here right quick. Let's see what Mom and Pop are thinking. Look at Mom, she got her beautiful dress on. You got Pop, classic, clean.
Yeah.
This is my clothes for later, if you don't mind. And this is gonna be a rag to wipe the bottom of the stems.
Oh, okay.
How do you feel about me moving away from you? How you feel about that?
Oh, a little bit nervous.
A little bit nervous. Hey, you don't care. No, I'm just kidding. Pops knows that, you know what, in order to be a man, you gotta have a good woman.
Yeah.
Right?
That's right.
That's right. That's right. But let's go ahead and jump into the cars, head that way, and get this party started. Wow, it's hot. Basically, this is an engagement party that we have to have in order to make things like official before the wedding. So it's kind of like a tradition in our community, our Slavic community. So this is how it's done. We gotta also buy the bride off. That's old. My dad was just joking about that. He said back in the day, like, people would come with money and be like, try to buy the bride, and I was like, all for fun and jokes. And also you gotta bring like bread, big old loaves of bread and kielbasa, which we got the bread, but no money. Then we're gonna go to the Publix, get us something to drink.
Oh, excuse me, sir. Yo, that's sick, man.
Beautiful. Very beautiful. Had to dry it off a little bit.
Ja zaraz zabiorę widru, bo zaraz...
Nie, haj bude. Bless you.
Thank you. Simon, go.
What's up?
Papa.
I'm sorry, Simon. No, it's okay. Don't worry. Данік, скажи дяді Сережі. Wait, so.
What's going on over here?
So, I guess this is it right here. I didn't even ask my fiance if she wanted to be on video, but here she is. I guess we're not, do you want, it's up to you. Maybe, no, we'll keep your name a secret.
Okay.
Let's keep your name a secret like we did our names.
Okay.
But this is my beautiful fiance, the best fiance in the world. She's very smart, very beautiful. Just, there's so much, you know, we're just on the spot right here. I'll think of a few more things, but this is the best fiance ever, and we're getting married in like what?
78 days.
78 days, and this is just the engagement party. It seems like a wedding to me, but she knows what she's doing out here, and she did an amazing job. And she's been on. We've been practicing vlogging a little bit, so she's getting better, a lot better. But yep, there she is. And is there anything you want to say? No, she'll say stuff in the future.
Yeah.
We'll prepare her. But let's keep on partying. Yeah, come on. Yeah, the protein. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be pretty much a wrap for today's video. You've seen what just happened. We had a beautiful engagement party that my fiance put together. Just an absolute blast we had today. Of course, your family helped out a lot today too, so it's just awesome, man, just being a part of your family, honestly. So I guess you're gonna get more used to being on camera here and there. It all takes time. Nobody's just jumps into it and becomes a professional, like me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a professional even myself after years of doing it, but you're gonna get a lot better. And here she is, guys. You know, we're gonna be married in a couple of months, and it's just gonna be awesome. I guess it's gonna be a change, honestly, but just scan around the room. This is the bridal party. We got the ladies right there. We got the groomsmen right there. And it's just gonna be awesome. We're missing one guy, but I think he's like somewhere at the porta potty. At the porta john. But hey, this is gonna be a wrap for today's video. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.